What's up everybody, that's your boy Amir Siddiqui live all the way from Mumbai। तो कैसे हैं आप लोग?
बहुत बुरे हैं हम लोग, भोसड़ी के अंदर से खोल के बजा देंगे, तुझे पता भी नहीं चलेगी।
आप हमारे ही वीडियोस लेके हमारे ही वीडियोस से व्यूज ला रहे हो, पैसे कमा रहे हो और हमारे ही कंटेंट को क्रिंज बोल रहे हो। तो आपका कंटेंट तो क्रिंज इंटू 100 हो गया, क्रिंज इंटू 100 हो गया।
तुम्हें अगर ना पता हो तो मैं 12वीं फेल हूँ और ये बेटी 6 साल मॉस्को पढ़ के आई है। अब कोई ग्रेजुएट होके भी चौथी फेल कैसे हो सकता है? ये क्या लॉजिक है? मतलब तू चूतिया है, मैंने तेरे पे वीडियो बनाई, तुम्हें चूतिया।
Hey everyone, this is Aishwarya and welcome to Beauty with Coach. So guys, YouTube versus TikTok. This has become such a huge trend nowadays, isn't it? I mean, everyone is talking about this only. After Carrie's roast, it's something more than a trend and I personally enjoyed that roast. So thank you Carrie Minati for entertaining us. And please let me be very clear, if you check the description box, Carrie has mentioned that this is only for entertainment. So take it as entertainment, watch that video, like, share, subscribe, whatever you want, do and just leave. It's okay. I mean, it's not like that for showing your support or your love to Carrie Minati you have to hate TikTok, or like for loving YouTube you have to hate TikTok, or for loving TikTok you have to hate YouTube. It's not like that. You can be on both YouTube and TikTok at the same time, and you can be on none at the same time too. So it's like this only. It's not like shame in accepting that I'm a TikToker. I mean, many of the YouTubers are on TikTok and it's okay, it's totally acceptable, it's not a crime. Okay, I'm not on TikTok and that's my personal choice. I'm not getting time, that's why I'm not there. If I get time, I may be there in like 2 years or something in future. Oh, you never know. So I may be there, so it's okay and there is no shame in accepting. So if Carrie has roasted him, here I will support Carrie. Why? Not because I am a huge Carrie fan. Yes, I am, but not because of that. But because that person asked Carrie to roast him. And when you ask someone to roast, it's okay. Why won't he roast? And after all, Carrie Minati is a professional roaster. He got a content. And not only content, you can see a hike in his subscriber list. So yes, it's like, okay, he gave him a content, so Carrie must thank that person or that TikToker. I forgot the name, maybe Fazu or something. So Carrie, you must thank him. So yes, this was the thing, and it's not like if he hasn't like asked Carrie, and if in that case Carrie has roasted, then Carrie is wrong. No, it's like when he says his videos are only for entertainment, then take it as entertainment. Watch, like, share, subscribe and forget. That's it. I mean, it's not something like you should learn. Carrie never says that you use slangs or you like follow my style or something. He never says like this. His videos are always for entertainment. So go and entertain yourself. I mean, in this fast-paced world, we all need entertainment. So it's okay. Take it as entertainment. So, and I'm not against TikTok, to be very clear once again. I'm not against TikTok. Today I saw an interview of Ashish Chanchalani where he was saying about a guy from US who draws something on and upload that video on TikTok. So for him, TikTok is a boon. I mean, if TikTok was not there, how can he show? I mean, yes, YouTube is there, other platforms are there, but if he chose TikTok, it's good. I mean, because of that TikTok, he's showing his talent to the world. So for him, TikTok is a boon and it's very good. If you are making videos on TikTok for entertaining people, it's okay, it's very good. If you are making like if you are uploading your dance video, like Ashish Chanchalani said, again I'll take his name. So yes, he says he saw someone dancing like very beautifully and he uploaded his video on TikTok. So it's very good, na? I mean, he was showcasing his talent in front of the world because of that TikTok. So it's okay. For him, TikTok is very good thing. But if you're using TikTok for spreading hatred, then it's wrong. I mean, there is nothing wrong with platform. No matter whether it's YouTube or it's like TikTok, it's not like that that there is something wrong with the platform. No, there is nothing wrong with the platform. There is if there is something wrong, then it is with us. I mean, it's all about us, how we are using that platform. So like this only. Okay, so if you are using any platform for a good cause, whether it be for entertaining people or like showcasing your talent or sharing your knowledge or sharing your thoughts, then it's good. You can be on TikTok, go and do that, it's totally acceptable. You can be on YouTube, do that, it's totally acceptable. I mean, if YouTube is not there, then there may be no Beauty with Quotes, there will maybe no Carrie Minati or anything. I mean, these are like Beauty with Quotes, Carrie Minati, Ashish Chanchlani. These are because of YouTube. YouTube has given platform to all of us. I'm not comparing myself with any of these, because yes, I know I have just started this channel 3 months ago, and they are like god of YouTube India, at least. Yeah, so yes, I'm not at all comparing myself with anyone. I'm just saying. So YouTube has given all of us a platform. YouTube has given me a platform to show my coding skills to you all, to share my thoughts with you all, and things like that. So yes, YouTube has helped me doing this. I could have done this on TikTok too, but yes, there is a time limit of 1 minute on TikTok. That's the main thing. So I cannot, and it's okay. So I'm not on TikTok now. Maybe I change my mind and I want to entertain you on TikTok, so I'll start that maybe in future. You never know. So it's okay. It's totally fine. But now you saw that roast by Carrie Minati. You enjoyed a lot of gossip, so many things. Now it's time to get back to your work. That's my point. So now it's time to get back to your work. I mean, okay, lockdown is there, you must be feeling lazy, you must be feeling like you have no work to do, you must be lying on bed all over the day, and okay, fine, you have enjoyed lockdown, you have missed the good old days, that's okay. But once this lockdown gets over, trust me, your exams will be there. If you're pre-final year student, your placements will be there, and these will come so fast. These are coming so fast that time you won't get time, and then you will regret why didn't we use lockdown period. I mean, it's the best time to utilize yourself, your talents. I mean, in this period, I already told you once or twice, I guess, lockdown is the best period for students like us. Why? Because this lockdown we can utilize for learning new technologies, learning new things, or like exploring ourselves. It's not all about academics. If you want to explore your let's say painting talent, you can do that. If you want to explore your gardening talent, you can do that. Okay, stay at home, and if you have garden, then yep, you can surely. So explore yourself. I mean, books, parents, friends, no one can teach you what life can teach you. So life is the best teacher. So enjoy your life, explore everything. And if you're a pre-final year student, it's the best time. Please concentrate on your studies only nowadays. You don't need to like explore your painting talent now. It's I mean, right time, or like timing matters na. So please, now you focus on your study. Rest, I'm talking about others. So if you are not in pre-final, and if you want to like explore your technological talents, then okay, do that. If you want to learn something, do that. If you want to know how good dancer you are, you can do that. So do whatever you want, but yes, it must be positive. I mean, it's not like always you should be busy with gossips throughout the day, or you should be lying down or like doing nothing. It's not like that. Do something positive. So lockdown is the best period to utilize. Now it's up to you how you are utilizing your period. So please do that. Please come back to your studies, because once this lockdown gets over, you won't get time, and you will be regretting for sure. I mean, just think about last 2-3 months ago. So we were the person who were blaming our colleges for not giving us enough time to study, isn't it? We were like, because of this 75% attendance, we are not able to learn something of our choice. But now, not your college, but the nature has given you opportunity, has given you the time to learn something. So learn something, utilize your time. You have internet connection, you have laptops, use that. Use those things to learn whatever you wanted to learn. That may be anything of your choice. If you're not a good coder, try to be that. If you want to learn machine learning, do that. If you want to learn web designing, do that. Learn whatever you want. Okay, so utilize this time. So this was the main thing which I wanted to share. I told you before that I'm not on TikTok, and I'm not against TikTok, neither I'm supporting TikTok. So I'm not on TikTok, that is okay. But if you are on TikTok, it's okay, you can make TikTok videos too, that is okay. But make sure you are doing something for your career. So don't just waste your time. So I hope enough of motivation you may get. So please start working as soon as possible. I mean, you cannot like waste your whole day just about thinking, yes, Carrie has done this very right, or like Fazoo, and you just started hating Fazoo. No, it's not like that. Fazoo has not done anything wrong with you, so why will you hate him? I mean, how are you getting so much time for hating someone? I mean, just why are you interested in others' life? Make your life so interesting that people start taking interest in your life. That is the best thing. I mean, I'm not at all interested in my neighbor's life. I'm not at all interested. If he's happy, okay. If he's sad and he asks me for help, I'll surely go there and I'll help. That is it. That's it. I'm not interested in which color of walls does he have. No, I am not interested. Or like color of his shirt, I'm not interested. I'm not interested in anything. So please, I'm not saying I am a very good influencer or something, but please make sure you start working. That is the main thing which I want to say. Don't waste your time in these things so much. I mean, you enjoyed Carrie Minati's video, very good. After that video, I mean, it came a week ago. So after that video, you enjoyed a week for like gossips, and we all enjoy gossip sometimes, so it's okay. You enjoyed enough. Now it's time to get back to work. So start working again. Learn whatever you learning if you had already started but stopped because of this new trend. So get back to that work. And if you haven't started anything yet, please start something. Okay, start learning. That's the main point. Okay, because once this lockdown gets over, you are not going to get time. So yep, and then you will miss these period. You'll miss the time we had. So utilize this time. I mean, in this lockdown, you are not going to movies, you are not going to anywhere, malls or anywhere. You are always in your home. So utilize this. This is the best time to learn anything. Learn whatever you want. Get back to your work. I'll say again and again, please start learning. And for pre-final year students, guys, you don't have so much time, and moreover this year placement is going to be very difficult. I mean, many companies already announced that they are not going to hire to 2020 pass outs. Okay, so many companies, not only one or two, many companies have already announced. So you are not going to get so many number of like companies. No, you are not going to get. So you are going to get only few. And like the mass recruiters, if they were recruiting 300 people till last year, this year there is a very high chance that they will recruit only 200 or even less. So placement is going to be very difficult this year. So trust me when I say. So please, I am not saying it for like anything other than I just want for demotivating you. So it's not like that. I'm just saying these things because I want you to know the reality. It's not like be positive always. Yes, be positive. Have that spirit that okay, this company is going to be to hire only 200. I'll be one of them. If this company is going to hire only one, I'll be that one. So be positive, be confident enough. That is very good thing. But it's not like that if you don't study, you will be that one. No, you will never be that one. Because if a company is like recruiting only one person, then that person will be the best for that company at least, isn't it? So try to be the best version of yourself. It's not like you start comparing yourself with anyone. No, it's not like that. I'm not asking you to compare yourself with anyone. Be the best version of yourself every day. So do whatever you want, but make sure you study properly. This is the main thing. So I hope you get enough motivation today. So that's it for today, guys. I hope you like this video, and if you like this video, please like, okay, and if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon next to it. So this is Aishwarya signing off. Bye bye.
सबको पता है कि हर जगह यूट्यूब वर्सेस टिकटॉक का मैटर चल रहा है, तो मैं भी इसमें कुछ कहना चाहता हूँ कि बेटा कुछ मत कहो।
और हमने क्या बिगाड़ा था यार, पूरे टिकटॉक की क्यों बेइज्जती करा दी। हमें टिकटॉक बनाने का मन नहीं कर रहा है भाई आगे से कुछ भी बोलना ना तो अपने बिहाफ पर बोलना, अपने टीम के बिहाफ पे बोलना, पूरी टिकटॉक कम्युनिटी के बिहाफ पे मतलब हमें समझदारी, हमें बोलना आता है।
कौन है तेरे मिनाटी जो टिकटॉक वालों को रोस्ट कर रहा है? खबरदार मेरी बेटी को रोस्ट किया है तो।
भाई कल का रोस्ट देख के मुझे लगता है कि हमारा यूट्यूबर कैसा हो, कैरी मिनाटी जैसा हो।
सुनो भाइयों, चुपचाप अपना काम करते रहो, पंगा नहीं लेगा किसी से, खासकर यूट्यूबर से।
इन लोगों ने यूट्यूबर से बेइज्जती तो खुद करवाई है, ठीक है? क्या जरूरत थी पापा की परी बनकर आसमान में उड़ने की? लड़के हो, लड़की बनने की क्या जरूरत थी? पापा की परी हम ही बहुत हैं आसमान में उड़ने के लिए। अब उड़ा दिया ना एक ही छक्के से।
भाई इस वक्त तो एक ही ख्वाहिश बची है मेरी जिंदगी की कि ये पता लगाना है कि मिस्टर फैजू ने क्या सोचकर कैरी को फोन किया था। अगर फैजू भाई के तक ये वीडियो पहुंचती तो भाई ये बात जरूर क्लियर करवा देना एक बार, फोन उसे क्यों किया, क्या सोचकर।